Welcome everyone. Myself N.D. Hinge, Faculty of Chemistry, Hada Junior College, Nagpur. I hope that you are safe and healthy and staying indoors. I wish you good health. During this situation, teaching in traditional format is impossible, so college maintained academic continuity through online learning mode. Now coming to the point, today in this digital lecture, you will learn chapter number 10, halogen derivatives. The compound formed by the replacement of one or the more hydrogen atoms in aliphatic or the aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atom. Such compounds are called as halogen derivatives. Classification of halogen derivatives. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is attached, the halogen derivatives are classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, and haloarenes. In the first example, CH3CH2X, if hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by a halogen atom, the compound formed are called as haloalkanes. The second one example, CH2 double bond CHX, if halogen atom of alkene is replaced by means of halogen atom, then the compound formed are called as haloalkenes. In the alkyne, third example, CH triple bond CX. If hydrogen atom of alkyne is replaced by means of halogen atom, the compound formed are called as haloalkynes. In the fourth one example, where halogen atom is attached to the benzene ring, in this type of compounds, the hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon is replaced by means of halogen atom, and such compounds are called as haloarenes. These halogen derivatives, these are again classified depending on the presence of number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. Now, on the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives, these are classified as mono, di, tri or polyhalogen compounds. The compounds in which one hydrogen atom is replaced by means of one halogen atom, then such halogen derivatives are called as monohalogen derivatives. Mono means one. The second one, that is when two hydrogen atoms, these are replaced by means of two halogen atoms, then the compounds are called as dihalogen compounds. Di means two. Similarly, tri means three. When three hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon are replaced by means of three halogen atoms, then the compound formed are called as trihalogen compound. Classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compounds are further classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of carbon to which halogen is attached. First one, alkyl halide or the haloalkanes. In alkyl halides or the haloalkanes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Alkyl halides may be primary, secondary or the tertiary depending on the state of carbon to which halogen is attached. For primary carbon atom means carbon atom which is further attached to only one carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom means carbon atom further attached to two carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom means carbon atom which further attached to the three carbon atoms. Thus, these are depending on the state of carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. These are classified as a primary halide, secondary halide and a tertiary halide. Second one, allylic halide. In allylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Observe the example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 X. Here X is attached to the first number of carbon atom and that carbon atom that is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. In the third one, benzylic halide. In benzylic halide, the hydrogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to the aromatic ring. Observe the example, to the benzene ring, single bond CH2 and halogen atom is attached to CH2. Fourth one, vinylic halide. Vinyl group means CH2 double bond CH. In vinylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. Vinylic halide is a haloalkane. CH2 double bond CH, single bond X. Fifth one class, haloalkyne. When a halogen atom is bonded to the sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkyne. Observe the example, CH triple bond CX. The next one, aryl halide or the haloarenes. In aryl halides, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. See the example given below. Naming of halogen derivatives. The common names of alkyl halides are derived by naming the alkyl group followed by the name of halogen as halide. For example, methyl iodide, tertiary butyl chloride. According to the IUPAC system of nomenclature, as you have already learned in the 11th standard, alkyl halides are named as haloalkanes, aryl halides are named as haloarenes in common as well as in IUPAC system. For dihalogen derivative of an arene, prefix ortho, meta, para are used in the common name system, but in IUPAC system the numerals 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 respectively are used. Observe the examples given in the following table. Example number 4, CH3 by 2 CH, CH2Br. Common name of this compound is isobutyl bromide and the IUPAC name of this compound is 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. In this example, as it contains the longest continuous carbon chain containing 3 carbon atoms, the parent hydrocarbon is propane. To the first one, if carbon chain is numbered from right to left or left to right, so that position of halogen atom is indicated by the lowest possible number, and thus Br is now attached to the first one carbon atom and hence 1-bromo. Methyl group is attached to the second one carbon atom, hence 2-methyl, and thus IUPAC name of this compound is 1-bromo-2-methyl propane. Now see the another example, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2Br. Name of this compound is, common name is allyl bromide and IUPAC name is 3-bromopropene. Now this compound contains the carbon-carbon double bond and halogen atom also, and hence the name halogen carbon-carbon double bond starting from the first one carbon atom, and now Br is attached to third one carbon atom, hence the name of the compound is 3-bromopropene.